Theory of discharging a capacitor. A capacitor is an electronic component that can store electric charges. The stored charges in the capacitor can be used later on. Using the stored charges is discharging the capacitor. The rate of discharge of the capacitor follows the formula T equals RC, where T is the discharge time in seconds, R is the resistance of the circuit in ohms, and C is the capacitance in farads. The capacitor is completely discharged in 5 RC. The succeeding discharge time graph clarifies this concept. The percentage of discharge compared to the full voltage is given by other time constants: 1 RC, 2 RC, 3 RC, 4 RC, 5 RC, etc. Block diagram for discharging a capacitor. According to this diagram, the monitoring device is either a digital voltmeter or the constructed very low current detector. When the switch is at its own position, the battery charges the capacitor and the monitoring device indicates the capacitor 4-volt charge condition. When the switch is off, the capacitor discharges through the monitoring device until it is totally drained at 0%, but the discharging time is recorded at 5%, that is 3 RC. Before the 0.50 microfarad capacitor is discharged to the DBM. The DBM shows 3.79 volts from the cell phone battery. Once the battery supply is disconnected, the capacitor will discharge through the DBM and lowers the capacitor voltage until 0.00 volts. It takes a very long time until this level is reached, so the measurement is recorded once it reaches 0.20 volts. This is a short movie featuring the discharge rate of a 0.50 microfarad capacitor through a DBM. Monitoring the discharge rate of a 0.50 microfarad capacitor. It is charged by a 3.6 volts battery. So we will now start the discharge by removing the negative terminal of the supply. I am now removing it. Now it's removed. Notice that the display is becoming lower and lower, and we have to stop the video if it becomes 0.20 volts or lower. Connecting the 0.50 microfarad capacitor. The very low current detector is connected in parallel with the capacitor, and its red LED lights very brightly. If the negative wire of the cell phone battery is disconnected, the red LED still will continue lighting until its stored voltage reaches 0.20 volts or lower. Next is a movie about discharging a 0.50 microfarad capacitor through the very low electric current detector. Charging rate of a 0.50 capacitor. I will now remove the charging current by disconnecting the positive terminal of the battery. Then it's now removed. The capacitor now is being discharged. So the light is becoming dimmer. Still there is light. There's still light, very dim light. And I think that's it. We have to stop the video. Summary for discharging a capacitor. The discharging time of a 0.50 microfarad capacitor when using a DBM is shorter than the discharging time when using the constructed very low current detector. Since the same capacitor and battery voltage were used in both cases, the capacitor time constant is dependent only on the value of R in the formula T equals RC. The value of R of the commercial DBM is much less than the value of R of the constructed device named the very low current detector. The R of the DBM is 40 megohms, while that of the constructed device is estimated to be 150 megohms or more.